Are you excited to dive into the ultimate summer adventure? We've got you covered with some amazing ideas. Let's kick it off with a splash, shall we? Summer is the perfect time to enjoy water activities. Head over to a local water park for some wave pool fun and thrilling slides that will get your adrenaline pumping. The excitement of the water park is unmatched. Next up, plan a family camping trip to reconnect with nature. Camping is a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. Imagine roasting marshmallows under starry skies, telling spooky stories by the campfire, and bonding with loved ones. The serenity of nature is truly calming. For a real adventure, try zip-lining through a dense forest. It's an exhilarating experience that you won't forget. Feel the rush as you soar through the trees, taking in the breathtaking views. The thrill of zip-lining is unparalleled. And don't forget the classic beach day, a summer staple. Beaches offer a perfect blend of relaxation and fun. Build sandcastles, hunt for seashells, and take a refreshing dip in the ocean to cool off. The beach is a place where memories are made. Finally, visit a local fair or amusement park for some fun and excitement. These places are filled with joy and laughter. Enjoy the rides, play games, and indulge in some yummy treats that you can only find at fairs. The atmosphere is electric and full of energy. There you have it, folks. These activities are sure to make your summer special. 5 must-try activities to make your summer truly unforgettable. Each one offers a unique experience. So what are you waiting for? The adventure awaits. Summer is the time to explore and have fun. Get out there and start making those wonderful summer memories. Embrace the season and all it has to offer.